Hi everyone. How are you today? I'm going to present you about super kids.
There are young, talented people everywhere. There are 5-year-olds who can play the violin. There are 10-year-old opera singers who perform in famous concert halls. There are 13-year-old gymnasts in the Olympics, and many more children like this all over the world. What are these gifted children like? Let's meet some of them.
Name Asif Malik. Age 12, country India. Talent painting. Nobody in my family is artistic, so they were surprised when I started painting seriously. I was only 4 years old. At first I painted trees and flowers. Now I paint portraits of my family and friends. I enter competitions, and I sometimes have exhibitions. I've already sold some of my paintings. I have a website and all my paintings are on it. I'm going to go to an art school in Paris when I'm older.
Name Katie Varga, age 11, country Hungary, talent chess. My father taught me to play chess when I was 5 years old. I took part in my first competition when I was 8 years old. I was so excited when I won a trophy. Today, I have more than 100 trophies and medals in my room. Next year, I'm going to take part in a tournament in Russia. One day, I'd like to be the best in the world. I know I'm on my way.
Name Josh Brown, age 14, country Britain, talent cooking. I started cooking when my aunt sent me a cookery book on my birthday. I was only 10. At first I made cakes, but now I love making complicated meals for my family. I recently won a competition for the Young Chef of the Year. My prize is a visit to an expensive London restaurant next week. I'm spending the day there with a famous chef. He's going to teach me some delicious dishes. One day, I'm going to open my own restaurant.
Name Lee Sang-mi, age 10, country South Korea, talent piano. Everyone in my family has got a special skill. I have 2 older brothers and they are both very athletic, but I've never been good at sport. My mother is very musical and plays the piano beautifully. One day I was listening to her and suddenly I knew I wanted to try. I loved it. I started lessons at the Music Institute when I was 6, and soon I was performing and winning competitions all over the country. Next month, I'm going to travel to Japan to play in a huge concert hall. I'd like to tour around the world one day.
Asif, Katie, Josh and Sang-mi are just like ordinary children, but with one extraordinary difference, a special talent. And they're all on their way to great success.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.